Hello my dear students of class 3rd. In this video we will study chapter number 4 from our Gulmohar book, and the title of the chapter is A Wonderful Gift. Okay, a wonderful gift, that means a pleasant gift. Let us see what the gift is. A long time ago there lived in America a little boy named Benjamin West. Long time ago there was a boy whose name is Benjamin West, and he lived in America. Okay, the boy is American and his name was Benjamin West, right? Benjamin loved pictures. He loved pictures, but he had never seen any pictures except a few small ones in a book. He had never seen any pictures, still he loved pictures. Okay, he loved their bright and beautiful colors. Why he loved the picture? Because he likes the bright and beautiful colors of the pictures. His father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. But his father and mother did not like that he would paint or do such things. Why? Because they thought the pictures might take his mind away from more useful things. Take his mind away means to make him forget about anything else. When we do something very seriously or from our heart, then we forgot about everything. जब हम कोई काम बहुत दिल से पूरी लगन से करते हैं तो हम बाकी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में भूल जाते हैं, राइट? सेम एज बेंजामिन वेस्ट के पेरेंट्स को भी ये लगता था कि अगर बेंजामिन पेंटिंग करेगा या वो पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करेगा तो वो बाकी सारी चीज़ों से उसका माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा, एंड दे थॉट इट इज़ जस्ट यूजलेस. ओके. One day, Benjamin's mother had to go out for some work. She told Benjamin to stay in the house and take care of his baby sister until she came back. One day, what happened? Benjamin's mother had to go out for some important work. Okay, so she told Benjamin that you have to be in the house and you have to take care of your baby sister. Benjamin was very happy to take this responsibility. Why? Because he loved the baby sister. Okay. She was asleep in her crib. Crib means palna. She means the baby sister was asleep in her crib. For a while he sat very still. What is the meaning of very still? Very still means without moving. Benjamin sat for a while without moving. He did not want to make any noise and wake her. Why he was sitting still? Because he did not want to make any noise so that उसकी baby sister जग जाए, है ना? तो he was sitting still. He could hear the clock ticking. He heard the birds singing. Soon he began to feel a little lonely. He was sitting quietly. His baby sister was sleeping. So after some time he was feeling lonely. He was just listening the clock ticking and birds singing, nothing else. So after some time he was feeling a little. A fly sat on the baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Suddenly he sees a fly sat on baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Brushed it away means to remove something with one's hand in one stroke. Like this pen, I am just brushing it away. Okay? From one stroke you have to remove something, that is called brushed it away. So he brushed it away, the fly. Then he thought what a pretty picture he could make of his sister's lovely face and her little hands. Then he thought अपनी बेबी सिस्टर की मैं कितनी प्यारी पिक्चर बना सकता हूँ. उसका लवली फेस एंड हर लिटिल हैंड्स, उसके सुंदर सा फेस और उसके छोटे छोटे हाथों की मैं कितनी प्यारी पिक्चर बना सकता हूँ. He had no paper, but he found a piece of cardboard. He had no pencil, but he found a piece of black charcoal. He began to draw. The baby smiled but did not wake up. Look, he had nothing. No paper, no pencil. But, as they say, when there is a will, there is a way. He found a cardboard and a piece of black charcoal. He began to draw. He started drawing. The baby smiled but did not wake up. The baby was smiling but she was asleep. Here, student, we have to understand that when we want to do something, when we want to do something willingly, desperately, then we will get a way. जब किसी चीज़ को हम पूरी शिद्दत से करना चाहते हैं तो हमें रास्ता मिल ही जाता है. सपोज़ दैट आपने डिसाइड किया कि कुछ भी हो मुझे क्लास में फ़र्स्ट आना ही है, सबसे अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर आने हैं. आपको रास्ता मिल ही जाएगा. आप कैसे भी करके आप अपने आप को इतना स्टडीज़ में इतना इन्वॉल्व कर लेंगे कि आपको फर्स्ट आने से कोई भी नहीं रोक पाएगा. सेम एज़ बेंजामिन वेस्ट, जो ड्राइंग, उसको पिक्चर्स इतना पसंद थे और वो चाहता था कि वो अपनी बेबी सिस्टर का फेस ड्रॉ करे. देखिए, उसके पास पेंसिल नहीं थी, पेपर नहीं था, बट स्टिल उसके पास सिर्फ उसकी एक विश थी, उसकी इच्छा थी कि उसे पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. तो देखिए उसे रास्ता मिला. कार्डबोर्ड, एक गत्ता, एंड अ पीस ऑफ चारकोल. चारकोल कोयले का टुकड़ा. कोयले के टुकड़े से उसने एक कार्डबोर्ड पर अपनी बेबी सिस्टर की पिक्चर को ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके. द पिक्चर ग्रू एज द चारकोल टच्ड द कार्डबोर्ड. Here was her round head covered with pretty curls. Here was her mouth. Here were her little round eyes and her small ears. And here were her tiny hands. So he drew all the body parts of her baby sister. It was very quiet in the house. He was so busy drawing that he did not think of anything else. He did not even hear his mother's footsteps as she came into the room. Benjamin was so busy in drawing that he could not hear anything else. Anything else means कुछ भी, उसके अलावा उसे कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था. He did not even hear his mother's footstep. उसकी माँ घर में आई, जिनके footstep की आवाज़ भी उसको सुनाई नहीं दी. Oh Benjamin, what have you been doing? She cried. Oh Benjamin, आप क्या कर रहे थे? She cried. वो रोने लगी. The boy sprung up alarmed. The boy means Benjamin. He sprung up alarmed. वो बहुत तेज चौंक कर कूद गया. Sprung up means to jump suddenly. Alarmed, afraid. Okay, वो डर गया और डर के मारे वो जंप कर गया. It's only a picture of the baby, mother, he said. ये तो केवल बेबी की पिक्चर है माँ. His mother was so overjoyed that she hugged him and kissed him. Her mother was overjoyed. Overjoyed means very happy, very, very happy, that she hugged him and kissed him. She hugged Benjamin and she kissed him. Then suddenly she began to worry. Had Benjamin done the right thing? Then suddenly what happened? She was worried. Why? Because she was thinking that had Benjamin did the right thing? क्या बेंजामिन ने सही किया? Benjamin, how did you learn to draw such a lovely picture? She asked. She asked Benjamin कि आपने ही इतनी प्यारी पिक्चर बनाना कैसे आपने सीखा? I didn't learn it, he answered. I just did it. I couldn't help but do it. I couldn't help but do it. When Benjamin's father came home, his mother showed him a picture. It looks like her, doesn't it? She asked. But I don't know what to think. Is it very wrong for Benjamin to do such a thing? She added. Now, when Benjamin's father came home, her mother shows the picture to him. And she asked, देखो क्या ये बिल्कुल अपनी बेबी की तरह नहीं लग रही है? बट मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं क्या सोचूं। क्या बेंजामिन जो ये कर रहा है, जो इतनी प्यारी पिक्चर बना रहा है, क्या ये सच में उसके लिए ख़राब है? Benjamin's father did not answer. He did not answer. He looked at the picture carefully. Then he handed it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." He just have a look on the picture carefully and then he gave it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." इसे वहाँ रख दो, दूर रख दो इसे. Several weeks later, the priest of their church called on them. Several weeks later. Several means many weeks. After many weeks, the priest of their church, जैसे हमारे मंदिरों में पुजारी होते हैं, सेम एज चर्च में प्रीस्ट होते हैं. तो जो उनके वहाँ वाला चर्च था, उसके प्रीस्ट ने उन्हें बुलाया. द प्रीस्ट वॉज अ वाइज ओल्ड मैन विद अ वेरी प्लीजेंट फेस. द प्रीस्ट वॉज अ वाइज ओल्ड मैन. वो एक बुद्धिमान बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति थे. विद अ वेरी प्लीजेंट फेस एंड हिज फेस वॉज वेरी प्लीजेंट टू लुक एट. He was loved and respected by everyone. The priest was loved and respected by everyone. Benjamin's parents decided to show him the picture. They told him how Benjamin was always trying to draw something. They wondered if they should stop him from doing so. Now, what did they do? Benjamin's parents showed the picture to the priest and they asked the priest that we don't understand, what do we do? क्या करें हम? क्या उसे इतनी सुंदर पिक्चर बनाने से रोकना चाहिए या नहीं रोकना चाहिए? They were confused. Okay? They wondered if they should stop him from doing so. Why they were wondered? Because in the past people thought that doing something creative like painting, singing, acting or so on was not correct. Sometimes people were even punished for doing things that were creative. Okay? So that is why they are so worried कि ऐसा ना हो कहीं हमारे बच्चे को पनिश कर दिया जाए. So they were so worried and they asked the priest what they should do now. The priest looked at the picture for a long time. Priest of the church put his hand on Benjamin's head and he said, "This child has a wonderful gift." इस बच्चे के पास एक बहुत ही सुंदर तोहफा है. Why should anyone stop him from doing what he loves? कोई भी उसे ऐसा करने से नहीं रोक सकता जो कि उसे खुद करना पसंद है. He said, "Let us hope that Benjamin will grow up to be an honor to our country." हम सब ये कल्पना करते हैं कि बेंजामिन बड़ा होकर हमारे देश के लिए एक प्राउड सिटीज़न होगा. To be an honor to our country, that means to make our country proud. He will draw lovely pictures and he will make the country proud. And the words of the priest came true. Many years later, Benjamin West became a great painter and his pictures made him very famous. Or after some years, it was the words of the priest came true. जो priest ने कहा था वो बात सच हुई. Benjamin West became a great painter and his pictures made him very famous. उसने अपनी पिक्चर्स बनाना कंटिन्यू रखा and all over the world he was famous for his paintings. Benjamin West 1738 to 1820 was an American painter. He was an American painter, as we have read in the beginning of the chapter. He was very well known for his war painting. What kind of paintings he used to make? War paintings. And he was very famous for his war paintings. He used to draw other kind of paintings also, but he was famous for his war paintings. He also taught many artists who became famous painters. He also taught many artists. उन्होंने और कई कलाकारों को पेंटिंग सिखाई जो कि आगे चलकर बहुत फेमस पेंटर्स कहलाए. Okay. Here the chapter is over, and from this chapter we have learned that when there is a will, there is a way. जब हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो वो काम को पूरा करने के लिए हमारे पास रास्ते मिल ही जाते हैं. बस हमें कंटिन्यूसली और कंसंट्रेशन के साथ में उस पर हार्ड वर्क करना है और अपनी मंजिल को, अपने गोल को अचीव करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हियर द चैप्टर इज ओवर. लिसन टू दिस वीडियो वंस अगेन, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स देन वी विल discuss it in our online class. Okay, good day, take care of yourself, all of you.